As you can see, there's holes in the bottom and it's rotten. All of this has to be replaced before you do insulation or anything, or else it's just money down the drain. So it has to get fixed from the outside right here or the inside, because as you can see, it's a lot of water that comes off the roof right here, right on the edge of the foundation, so it can't stay like that. So all of this at the side has to be fixed first as well. See there? All of the water just come down in this, and then that will go inside. All of this gotta be taken care of all the way around, because it's been like that for quite a long time. So the wood is rotten and it has to be fixed. All of this right here, all of it, or else it's just gonna be time wasted and money wasted. All of this that came off right there has to be fixed, and it has to have gutters.